This is a city of 6 million people. You have 15 to 20,000 people at the airport. A lot egged on by sensationalist reporting, by fear of the unknown, by fear of a repeat of 1996. But this is not 1996. A few kilometers outside the airport, we went out, spoke to people. Yes, there is anxiety. Of course there is. But to think that this country was a liberal utopia, a feminist paradise, at this stage, or if anyone is saying that, they're completely incorrect. For 20 years, this country has been mired in corruption. For 20 years, American forces have been bombing weddings, marriages, and other civilian gatherings. For 20 years, you've had militias funded by the CIA, Central Intelligence Agency, and so on and so forth, drilling holes into the skulls of people. So yes, despite the anxiety, despite this rush to get out, there are a lot of people in this country, 25 million people, 5.5 million, 6 million people in this city that have been dealing with this thing for the past 20 years. These scenes didn't just appear overnight or a week ago when the Taliban took over. These scenes started to appear because the government in charge ran away. The president abandoned his post, and so did everyone. When we entered the airport, for example, no immigration officers at the counters, no government to speak of, the Taliban in patches controlling parts of the area, trying to crowd control. But to say that the situation has worsened in the past week, not in the past 20 years, would be incorrect.